There is a lot of noise out there in the career space, and it is easy to feel overwhelmed by it all. So you might be thinking to yourself, it's just easier if I work directly one-on-one with a coach. And yes, this might be the right decision for you. But before you go and spend your hard-earned money, I want you to watch this video because I'm going to share with you things that you should be considering when you make this investment. Hi, I'm Laura, a career relaunch coach, and I'm here to take your job search from stressful to successful. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use the term career coach, but it is anybody who is in the space of helping you progress in your career. So it could be a job search strategist, it could be a resume writer, interview coach, career counselor. Like I said, for simplicity's sake, we're simply going to refer to them as a career coach. The first thing you need to do is understand their client base. Now, I primarily work with mid-career professionals who are looking to return to the paid workforce after a career break or pivot careers, or what is often the case, both. There are other career coaches who work specifically with C-suite executives or with teens who are looking for their first job. You want to find someone who is knowledgeable about your unique circumstances and who has a proven track record of helping people like you. Now, you can find out this information from their website or their LinkedIn or any of their social medias. And I will say, yes, the testimonials are great. And I think there's a lot of value in that, but it's also important that you ask your own questions, which is my second point, is you need to be interviewing potential career coaches. Yes, you have every right to interview them. You are spending your time and money, and this is an investment. So make sure you ask them questions. And here are some questions that I think will really help you understand if they are a match. And the first is, well, what type of clients do you serve? Hear it directly from them. Another question is, what should I expect from each of our sessions? Another question you can ask is, what makes someone successful in this program? Another question is, what credentials or experience do they bring to the table? And finally, what type of results have you gotten for your past clients? Now, they should go into a bit more detail than, well, I helped them get a job. They should be talking about the timelines. They should be talking about any type of pay negotiations that they did. They should be talking about the industries and professions. A good coach should also be asking you questions. They should be understanding what you're looking for, what you're hoping to gain, and they should be honest in terms of if they are the best fit. Now, I actually have a network of other career coaches that I have recommended potential clients to because I know that they would be a better fit. I don't want to waste anybody's time or money. And now, if you are interviewing a coach and they seem kind of off-put by this, then that is a red flag because this is a two-way street and you need to make sure both of you are a fit because you are spending, like I said, your hard-earned money and time. And speaking about money, that's the third point to look out for. Spending more money doesn't necessarily mean you are going to get a better experience. The cost of a career coach can vary greatly. There are some coaches who charge $50 for a 1-hour session, others who charge $500 plus. There are coaches who charge a few hundred for a full program, and some that charge 5 figures. I want you to look at that specific coach and what they bring to the table that can help you, not necessarily the fact that they have a big name in the space. There are so many amazing coaches who aren't out there as much on YouTube or in the media, but they are amazing coaches. And that's why you need to do the interviewing. And I do want you to look at this spending of your money as an investment because a good career coach is an investment. If you're able to land a job faster with a career coach, then that money that you have received because you received a job offer months earlier is going to pay for what you spent on a career coach. Or if your career coach helps you to negotiate a higher salary, once again, that investment is going to pay for itself. But that's why you have to do all of this upfront work to make sure you are getting somebody who is worth this investment. And finally, I want you to be honest with yourself. A career coach is not going to do the heavy lifting for you. You're still going to have to apply for positions. You're still going to have to interview for positions, network for positions. So if you're looking for a very quick fix and saying, I'm so sick of this job search process, I just want somebody to do it for me, a career coach isn't that person. And I say this because I have had clients who go full force with the strategies that I teach them. They are just completely on board with doing the things that I recommend that they do. And they are much more successful than the few clients I've had who say, yes, I'm going to do it. And then we check in and they haven't done anything. If you're not willing to put forth the work, there's no career coach who is going to be a fit for you. And now let's do the shameless plug. If you are interested in working with me as a career coach, I will include a link in the description below so you can book your free 30-minute discovery call.